Howdy partners, and welcome to Cooking with John, the cooking show where I show you half the steps of how to cook something that looks really good, powered by meats2u.com. Today I'm going to be smoking some hamburgers and hot dogs. The ground beef I'll be using is the organic ground beef from meats2u.com, as well as Nathan's Hot Dogs, which you can also find from meats2u.com. Start off by adding 2 pounds of ground beef into a mixing bowl. Add your house blend seasoning from meats2u.com. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle.
Worcestershire.
Hit it with a healthy splash of Worcestershire sauce.
Look.
And then for my secret weapon, black truffle salt.
Truffle salt.
Make sure to mix all the seasonings in as thoroughly as you can. This is why I like to use my hands. Also, it feels real weird. Set your smoker to 225 and smoke your hamburgers and hot dogs for about 30 minutes.
Hot dogs.
After about 30 minutes, set your hamburgers and your hot dogs on a grill. Add your cheese, get a nice sear, and enjoy.
Damn, dude, that looks so good.